Good morning. I'm so tired, you guys. So I decided that I would vlog today. I know. You guys, I'm so tired. I've been laying in the bed. I'm laying in the bed now. You guys like my nails? I painted them yesterday. They're purple with butterflies on them. Cute, cute, cute. I didn't do a top coat. I should probably do a top coat. Just gel polish though, so it probably looks shitty. I have to wipe it first. But I thought I would do a vlog because I have a lot of things that I need to do today. As you guys know, I'm on the hunt for a car. It's literally the hardest search of my life. Like, why is it this hard? So, there were two cars that I seen. I saw actually, let me get my phone and see if I can show you guys. And mind you guys, I'm getting a cash car. Like, I'm not financing a car. Like, I don't want to do that because I don't want to have to pay full coverage insurance. Like, your girl's out here trying to save a coin, okay? Okay, you guys, so the first car I see is this Ford Escape. It's a 2003, right? But it just looks so good. It's at 157,000 miles, and they want $1,850 for it, which I could probably negotiate and get it for a lower price. And I've never had a truck before, but I mean, I can see myself in the truck as long as the seat lifts up. Then I saw my dream car that I've always freaking wanted, you guys. Literally, I've always wanted this car. It is a 2002 Volkswagen Beetle, and it only has 104,000 miles on it, which is pretty good considering, you know, these cars aren't really around anymore. And the miles usually on cars run up fast, so I'm surprised it only has 104,000 miles on it, which means whoever had it before, like 104,000 miles, it literally just got there because you go from 96 to 100,000. So, you know, I could probably be driving it for a long time considering the mileage is so low. And then I saw this here. This is a Honda Pilot, a 2005, which is the highest out of both of the cars, and then it's at 155,000 miles. But he only wants 1,700 for it, and it's passed emissions tests. It's done all these things. So, and it's black, you guys. It's literally black. Black. If you guys don't know, black and orange are my two favorite colors. And if I had a black car, like, that's the only thing, the Volkswagen, the only thing that I didn't like about this is that it's yellow, you guys. Like, I don't want to, I mean, it's a Volkswagen, but I really don't want to have to sell it for a yellow car, and that's just going to be the whole thing. And like I said, I'm buying a cash car, and, you know, my budget is around $3,000, but if I can spend $1,700 and get a nice car, then I'll do that. What I want to do, I want to clean up my room because you guys can't really tell, but it's really dirty in here. I'll probably show you guys me cleaning up in here. And then I want to clean the kitchen because my parents are at work and I know they don't want to clean the kitchen when they get home. So I'm going to clean the kitchen. I'm going to tidy up the living room, vacuum, fix up the couch. I'm going to figure out how to wash the blankets on the couch too because our cats be on it. Y'all, our couch. If you guys have animals, please let us know how to get cat hair off the couch because our cats shed a lot. And then, like, we don't let them in our rooms because we know that they shed a lot. So, like, my room doesn't have cat hair all over it. My mom's room doesn't have cat hair all over it. But when you go into the main area of the house, the couch, we know that couch has cat hair. Like, I told my mom, we probably just need to get a Bissell because it'll get the cat hair out. But anyways, you guys, I think it's going to be a 2-day vlog as well because I need to wash my makeup brushes and I really want to do my makeup tomorrow, but I don't want to put that in a separate video. So what I'm going to do is clean my room, clean the kitchen, tidy up the living room, wash my makeup brushes, and then I'm gonna like take a shower and like, y'all, take a shower and wash my face, y'all, because your girl, my breath is stinking, okay? It's 9:23. It's really not that much to clean, to be honest, in the kitchen, and it's really not that much to clean in my room. But I don't want to take a shower and then clean because I just feel like I'm going to be sweaty. What's the point? Like, I'm going to feel dirty. So, I'm going to clean first, then take a shower. And then I'm going to make it kind of warm. I'm going to put my heater out there because it's kind of cold in this house. But yeah, y'all, I guess I'll show you guys me cleaning my room, but I'm not going to show you guys me cleaning the kitchen. Well, I guess I could prop the camera up. I'll prop the camera up so that you guys can see. You guys, look at Fonzie. Hey, Fonz. There's Tampa. You guys, this is what I was talking about the couch. You guys can already see some of his hair. He sheds the most, I think. She really only sheds if you like rub her all up and down. But I'm sure this couch has so much hair on it. And we just don't have like, I was thinking about buying, I need to put these candles up here. Buying like a little scraper thing to see if I can scrape the stuff out. But needless to say, I need to clean the kitchen because it's junky. We had Culver's last night with cheese sauce. If you guys haven't tried Culver's cheese sauce and fries, get that. The kitchen is junky and we need to clean it. There's a bunch of dishes. So yeah, let's get started. Hey friends. You guys are came to sit down with the cats for a second. I'm done cleaning now. Hi, Tamp. Hey, Fonz. You don't want to let me pet you? Hi, buddy. What you doing? They were just over there eating. I don't know if you guys can see, but their food is all over the floor. And they eat the food out of the bowl still instead of eating what's on the floor. Right? Don't you do that? Yeah? And you follow behind her? Every move she makes? Yeah? Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to clean up. I'm about to fold my clothes on the couch, and I'm about to zhuzh up the couch and make it better. And I'm going to fold my clothes, but I'm going to watch an episode of Being Mary Jane while I'm folding because I need to catch up. I watched it when it came out, but I didn't finish it, and I just want to watch it from the beginning. So I've been watching this series, and I'm about to zhuzh up the couch and fold my clothes, and then I'll be back when I'm cleaning my room. And then I'm going to take my shower, and I'll pretty much be done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so this is part 2. I woke up and I'm about to do my makeup. So if you guys hear, well, you guys are going to see this because I'm going to speed it up. But if you guys see my mouth moving and me laughing and stuff during the time lapse, it's because I'm on the phone with Desmond and we're probably talking, laughing, chopping it up. Okay? So, yeah, y'all. I'm just gonna speed this part up because y'all don't need to see this. Let me know if y'all actually be wanting to see these parts because I just feel like I've already done an everyday makeup routine and y'all don't need to keep seeing it. It's a little repetitive. it's a little repetitive, don't you think? So, yeah, I just don't do it because I feel like it's repetitive. But if you guys want me to stop basically speeding it up and yet letting y'all see every single part, then just let me know. But for right now, I'm about to speed it up, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm finished with my makeup. That's going to be the end of this video. I'm about to get on live or whatever because I'm just about to get on live and I feel like I look cute and I don't have anywhere to go. So my friends are going to see my makeup. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give this video a like. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. And make sure you share this video. Tell all your friends that Tyler Simone Finley has a YouTube channel, because we're trying to gain subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.